In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a line through text in Elementor. This is a handy technique you can use to emphasize updates or corrections on your web pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily strike through text in your Elementor projects. To get started, you'll first need to open your Elementor editor. Once you have your page editor open and your section ready, go ahead and drag the text widget to your desired area. This widget is often used for paragraphs, but you can also use it for single lines of text whenever necessary. Once your text widget is in place, click on the widget to open the editing panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a text editor under the Content tab where you can customize your text. Now, let's focus on applying the strike-through effect. In the text editor, you can enter your desired text. For this demonstration, we'll type the phrase "This is a test text." Highlight the portion of the text where you want the line to appear. Once highlighted, look at the toolbar that appears just above the text. You'll see several icons for text customization, such as bold and italic. For the strike-through effect, you'll find an icon that looks like a letter S with a line through it. Go ahead and click on the S icon. As soon as you do, you'll see a line appear through your highlighted text, indicating that the strike-through effect has been successfully applied. This visual cue can be quite effective in making your updates or corrections stand out on your web page. If you'd like to add a bit more style, you can also adjust the font and color settings. Head over to the Style tab on the left panel. Here, you can change the text color, play around with different fonts, and adjust the size to suit your design needs. Remember, making your text visually appealing can greatly enhance the user experience on your site. Once you are satisfied with how the strike-through text looks, you can proceed to save your changes. Simply click on the green Update button to apply your changes to the live site. Now, your strike-through text will be visible to all visitors. It's worth noting that you can use these same steps for any other text block on your Elementor design page. Consistency and style across your website can contribute to a more professional look. And there you have it. You've learned how to successfully create a line-through effect in Elementor, giving your website content a more dynamic and engaging appearance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Elementor tips and tricks.